What's up, y'all? I'm getting ready to put some bacon in the air fryer this morning. I just want to see how it's gonna turn out. So I'm gonna try 3 pieces. I'm gonna cut them in half. I'm gonna put them in this bad boy right here and see what we come up with. Let's do it. I got the bacon ready. Cut 3 pieces in half. Let's load it up. You guys, I normally cook my bacon in the oven, but I figured why not try it out in the air fryer, because I love my air fryer. Actually, this ain't my air fryer. This is my mom's air fryer, but whatever. I got the bacon fixed up a little bit in here. Try not to stack it up on top of each other if you can, guys. Let's load it up. Okay. We're going to set this on pork. I'm going to put it on 400. And I'm going to try 8 minutes to start. Now we can adjust this as we need to, y'all, but I'm gonna start off with 8 minutes. All right, you guys, 8 minutes is up. I need to see what's going on here. It's smoking, y'all. Uh-oh, it's smoking. Let's see. Oh, okay. Okay. This is after 8 minutes, y'all. Let me flip this over and I'm gonna come right back. This is what we got after 8 minutes. It is not ready yet. Guys, please use your tongs when flipping this bacon over, cause I just burned myself using this fork. FYI. Okay, so I'm thinking about 4 more minutes, y'all. I'm gonna put it in here. Put it back on pork. Alright. Put it back on 400 and 4 more minutes and see what happens. So this is what we have after 4 more minutes. So 12 minutes total. I'm actually satisfied with this. I'm satisfied with it, y'all, because I don't like my bacon too crispy. I mean, I want it a little crispy, but not that crispy, you know what I'm saying? So y'all, I am really feeling this. I am feeling this. And the good thing about it is that all that extra grease is in the bottom of this. So, of course, I got to clean this out. But, oh, yeah, this is a winner, y'all. Don't mind me, because I done already started eating this bacon. It's good. 12 minutes on 400 in the air fryer, y'all. Try this recipe out. It is a winner. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all next time.